Share apps with friends directly via the Play Store over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Hello everyone. Did you know that besides many types of files, you can also share apps with each other? Today I will show you how to do this. This feature is offered to us by the Google Play Store app. Open this app. Click on your profile icon. Click on Manage Apps and Device. The second to the last option is the one we need. Click the Send button on the first phone. Click Continue and then grant the access the app requests. Find the app you want to send. Check it. Click the Send button in the upper right corner. On the second phone, repeat the process. Open Google Play Store. Click on your profile icon. Click on Manage Apps and Device. Now click the Receive button here. Click on Continue. Grant access. We go back to the first phone. As you can see, the name of the available device for transfer is displayed. Click on the name of that device. On the other side, the recipient gets a confirmation code. Click the Receive button. Both phones display the percentage that has been successfully sent or received. The phone that received the app can now install and use it on their device. I hope this feature makes using your phone easier. Subscribe to the channel for more similar tutorials.